It is a chance of meeting people, managing time, handling challenging circumstances in every academic workload, honing the spiritual, cultural, psychological aspects of each individual to promote a holistic formation that the university offers as it envisions to become change agents among its graduates. It is on this basis that BU Open University intends to launch the online Kapihan and the learning management system. This is an avenue in bringing closer the university to our learners. Friends, before to start our program, let us invoke ourselves through a prayer to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and the Bicol University hymn through the audiovisual presentation.
Okay lang.
We're very sorry. I think we're having a technical difficulty. We found out that the presentation was not uh, played in the Google, it was played in the Safari. So we will try to fix this in a while, and we shall start immediately the program.
However, it is quite a challenge how these services can be enjoyed by our students in an open university, wherein the open distance e-learning is the mode of instruction. There are barriers like space and time, as some of our students are in different time zones, and most of them are few hundred kilometers. For quite some time, the BUOU have different ways of reaching our students. We have SMS, we have email, we have FB page, and the group chat. We all know that FB page and group chat have many limitations in students' information dissemination. Also, the privacy and the flooded messages that needs backreading. Hence, some weeks ago, and we temporarily created the virtual student launch via Google Classroom. Today, my dear friends, we are glad that the virtual student launch is now available at our Mood Learning LMS. What is this student virtual students launch? When speak about lunch, we always refer to a lobby in a hotel or restaurant where the clients can easily access on information about the services they offer. It is also a place where they can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ambience of the surroundings. This concept is similar with what is Students Launch in our LMS. It is a virtual place where our students can hang out with our faculty and administrators. It is also a virtual place where our students can socialize with their fellow students. It is a virtual place where the bulletins and other necessary information will be posted. It is a virtual place that becomes a segue to the services that the Bicol University offers, like library, online resources, health services, and counseling services, by creating online appointments, academic mentoring, and coaching. This will also be an avenue for socialization, intellectual discourse, and chit chat through online kapihan. Now, what is this online kapihan? Let me present to you its rationale. We know that the campus life is essential in the academic life of every student. It is a chance of meeting people, managing time, handling challenging circumstances in every academic workload, honing the spiritual, cultural, psychological aspects of each individual to promote a holistic formation that the university offers as it envisions to become change agents among its graduates. It is on this basis that BOU intends to launch the online Kapiyan. This is an avenue in bringing closer the university to our distance learners. Particularly, this program constitutes one of the roles of the professors, which is academic counseling, coaching, or mentoring. Now, what are the outcomes that we intend to achieve as we run this program? First is to be acquainted with the pressing and present issues and problems in academic, psychological, and spiritual, and find solutions through our invited guest experts. Second, there is to be updated with the current trends in Bicol University. Third, there is for the students to be motivated in pursuing their studies. And lastly is to be acquainted with their fellow students. The time and frequency of this is every 6 o'clock in the evening of every second and fourth Saturday of the month, while the chat room at Students Launch is open 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. A week before the virtual online kapihan, we will survey on the current trends and issues that must be addressed and meet. Hence, we categorize these issues and trends into different menu, same as we go to Starbucks or Hard Rock Cafe and other coffee shops that we order smoothies, Americano, or cappuccino. So what are this menu that we offer in the online kapihan? First, there is Saturday with Dean Ram. It is a Dean's conference with OU students. It is also an avenue on engaging intellectually with the Dean in promoting and advancing their academic life. Second, Minuzer is to hang out with Ma'am Ems. It is an engagement with the academic coordinator, explaining to them the policies like dissertation, thesis writing, coverage in comprehensive examination, and grading system, among others. Third, there is the FIC date. So we speak about FIC, FIC, that's faculty in charge date. It is an online meet and greet with their professors, sharing with them his or her expertise. Number four, there is the smoothies. It is an understanding of current trends on open distance e-learning for smooth teaching and learning activities. Number five, there is a cup of tea. It is an understanding with meta-narratives of current social online trends, spirituality, and wisdom. Number six, there is FRAP, an understanding of the psychological self as he makes himself with many demands in the academic life. And lastly is the Gig Talk. It is all about technology and virtual space. This is also an avenue to coach students who are having a hard time in navigating the LMS and the virtual world of learning. My friends, this is what virtual online kapihan is. We believe that through this, the teaching and learning process in the virtual reality, the hyper reality and augmented reality will be much easier and convenient to our students. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Carlo, for presenting to us the wider perspectives of the BUOU online kapihan. According to Ma'am Jane, before they have this with PELS, and we thank, of course, the PELS for giving us the idea of having online kapihan also in Bicol University. Congratulations, Sir JC, and of course to Bicol University, Open University. Next in line would be another inspirational message to be given to us by the Dean of the Office of the Student Affairs and Services, and in the person of Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres. Sir?
Yeah, thank you very much, BU Open University, for this worthy invitation. To our University President, Dr. Arnulfo Mascareñas, the Dean of the BU Open University, Dr. Ramses Lorino, the Dean of the BU Graduate School, Dr. Herbert Tusana, the BU Open U Academic Coordinator, Dr. Emily Agonos, to the other university officials, the BU Open U support staff, faculty and students, guests and friends, Diyos marahay na aldaw sa indo po gabos. Drinking at the coffee shop will make you relax and reflect on the things that you want to do or you have done. Sometimes you think how the coffee or the drink you've ordered, whether it is a smoothie or a frappe, on how they are made because of the taste and the effect on your body, mind, and even to your soul. Remember, what makes it special is the place, the coffee, or the ordered drink is specially prepared for you. It's specially selected ingredients and the process how it was made that creates a positive aura on you. Now, as I sip my favorite coffee blend, it gives me time to reflect with my past few days. Almost a month, I experienced extreme realities in life and even put a rejoinder that basic and simple things with a heart makes a man fulfilled. I will not give you the details because it may add to your anxieties. Everything must be done in simple and basic. Too much technicalities create complexities, which turns to chaos and creates much more and more problems to the point that even you cannot understand its context. The same with teaching and learning. When we teach, what is important is the lesson must be understood. The concepts must be analyzed and appropriately applied. The objectives must be evaluated, and the learning must be rejoined by our learners. Just like in a coffee, simplicity in the presentation and the sweet aroma makes it delightful to enjoy. Creating complexities to the process will create misunderstanding, misanalysis, misapplication, inconclusive evaluation, and even creating misconceptions of the lessons learned. In short, we are teaching and delivering learning in an obnoxious way. Not only that, we are also creating a life of social abnormalities, a life with full of anxieties and depression that lead to unsound mental health of our learners, but also us, the teachers. Like the coffee as a drink, if you make it more technical without the heart of preparing it, it will taste bitter and worse with sourness. As an individual, you have to understand things, how it happens. Let us be reminded that our learners or clienteles are the center and the reason why we exist. Designing the process on how they will be served. They will be served well is the main aim of our job. Just like preparing a cup of tea, we should never forget to put one, tender love and care or TLC, which is the sweets. Two, understanding, which is the number of tablespoons of the main ingredients. And three, empathy, which is the preferred hotness and coldness of the drink. Differentiated service is the key to make our clientele satisfied. Like in the coffee, individual preferences of savor is depending on the person's taste. Moderate sweets, moderate number of tablespoons of the main ingredients, and appropriate hotness or coldness is healthy to us. Remember, too much of this is not healthy. FamilyDoctor.org reminds us that emotional health is an important part of overall health. People who are emotionally healthy are in control of their thoughts, feelings, and behavior. They are able to cope with life's challenges. They can keep problems in perspective and bounce back from setbacks. They feel good about themselves and have good relationships. Being emotionally healthy doesn't mean that you're happy all the time. It means you're aware of your emotions. You can deal with them, whether they're positive or negative. Emotionally healthy people still feel the stress, the anger, and sadness, but they know how to manage their negative feelings. They can tell when a problem is more than they can handle on their own. They also know when to seek help from their friends, counselors, or even their doctors. Just like drinking your cup of coffee, you know when you will drink it, the kind of cup, the feeling of ouchie when it is hot, or sadness when it is cold, the taste of sweetness, bitterness, or sourness, and the partner bread or cookie, match or mismatch. By then, you will understand yourself by your simple happiness and the relaxation brought to you by drinking your own cup of coffee. Emotional health is just like a specially and delicately prepared smoothie. When you drink it, it allows you to work productively and cope with the stresses of everyday life. It can help you realize your full potentials. It helps you to work with other people and contribute to society. My smoothie was based on research, and it shows a link between an upbeat mental health and physical signs of good health. These include hypertension, reduced risk of heart disease, and a healthier weight. Let me share to you the ingredients of my 250 ml smoothie, which I think you can also enjoy this. One is 100 ml of self-awareness of your emotions and reactions. Notice what in your life makes you sad, frustrated, or angry. Try to address or change those things. Another is 50 ml of mindfulness, which consists of 25 ml of striving for balance. Find a healthy balance between work and play and between activity and rest. Make time for your things you enjoy. Focus on positive things in your life. Forget the negative. 25 ml of taking care of your physical health. Exercise regularly. Eat healthy meals and get enough sleep. Don't abuse drugs or alcohol or even your body. Keep your physical health from affecting your emotional health. Try to add 1 tablespoon of expression of your feelings in appropriate way. Let people close to you know when something is bothering you. Keeping feelings of sadness or anger inside, it adds to stress. It can cause problems in your relationships and at work or at home. Also add a dash of thinking before you act. Give yourself time to think and be calm before you say or do something you might regret. And add 5 tablespoons of managing your stress. Learn relaxation method to cope with stress. This could include deep breathing, meditation, and exercise. Don't forget to add 2 tablespoons of connecting with others. Make a lunch date. Join a group and say hi to strangers. We need positive connections with other people. And 10 tablespoons of finding purpose and meaning. Figure out what's important to you in your life and focus on that. This could be your work, your family, volunteering, caregiving, or something else. Spend your time doing what feels meaningful to you. And lastly, add 100 ml of staying positive. Focus on the good things in your life. Forgive yourself for making mistakes and forgive others. Spend time with healthy and positive people. Things to consider in drinking the prepared smoothie. People who have good emotional health can still have emotional problems or mental illness. Mental illness often has a physical cause. This could be from a chemical imbalance in the brain, stress and problems with the family, work or school can trigger mental illness or make it worse. Counseling, support groups, and therapies can help people who have emotional problems and mental illness. If you have an ongoing emotional problem, talk to your counselor or to your doctor. He or she can help you to find the right type of treatment or therapy. Remember, emotional health is just like drinking a coffee, parfait, or smoothie. It is a skill with self-awareness and mindfulness. Let us drink our own cup of coffee. Diyos mabalos po sa Indugabos.
Thank you very much, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres, for reminding us to live simple and balanced with right amount of sweetness and other ingredients in life as anchored in the BOOU online kapihan. We really need them, especially during this time of pandemic. Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful message. At this point in time, friends, we proceed to one of the highlights of our launching, which is the Bicol University Open University Learning Management System, where our online kapihan is also integrated. This will be given to us by our very own academic support coordinator, Professor Rolly N. Monte Alegre. Sir? Sir Rolly.
Okay, hello, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, yan. Okay, first of all, I would like to, of course, have this moment to congratulate Bicol University for its 52nd year anniversary and a warm welcome to the BU or the Bicol University community. So from the president down to its rank and file staff. Now, in this afternoon, we are launching our learning management system. So it's been a dream of the Bicol University Open University to have its own platform, a platform on which our students, our faculty, and other collaborators can have one place to meet and share their knowledge and have a unique platform for distance education delivery. So let me go back to the things that I have discussed on the orientation. So first, we wanted a learning management system or a platform on which everyone can access anytime and anywhere. So in short, we wanted a system that will be on a cloud, accessible all throughout the globe, on which every student of BOU can be provided reliable 24/7 access. Next, we wanted a platform on which we wanted all of these resources are provided with an interface for accessibility for both the students and the faculty in charge or the professors. Next, we wanted an interface or a platform that can provide us a reliable system of communication. It's not just the social media that we can rely on these times, but we need to have a system on which we can have a standard. Hello? Okay, a system on which we can have a standard means of delivering announcements, updates, and of course, instructions. Next, we wanted to have an interface rich and customized for the environment of distance education delivery. And lastly, we wanted a system efficient to deliver our instructions, not just by doing or sharing with another application such as Google Classroom, Zoom, Google Meet, or Cisco WebEx. So we wanted a single platform to have it all. And of course, that means we need to have a system that must be available for all platforms, accessible on all devices, for which, of course, we are aware that we do have laptops, we are aware that we do have desktop workstations, devices with different operating systems, such as, well, more popularly known, we do have Apple, then we do have Android systems. So we want our system to be able to to provide cross accessibility to those devices. So now, I present you our BU-OU learning management system. Our learning management system is accessible via bu.edu.ph. So it's very short. So we really opted for that short host name para mas madali pong tandaan ng ating mga students. So that's bu.edu.ph. Now, on this learning management system, we have integrated our website. So its front page serves as the website of the Bicol University Open University to provide information on what is Bicol University Open University. So we have here our programs. We have a downloadable link for each of the PDF flyers. We have the admission requirements. We have the link on how to access our Facebook page, and of course, connect with us all through this provided contact information. We do have our frequently asked questions. Okay, so for those students who are asking how much are the fees, so we have it here. For those students who are asking what is distance education, we have it here. We also discussed here our mode of instructional delivery. Okay? Then, of course, the online copyhan, we will go on that later. We do have our testimonials of our recent graduates. And we have our recommended e-resources. Okay, primarily, we do recommend to access the resources of the Bicol University Library System. We do have subscribed e-journals with them. Then we do have an ongoing acquisition of electronic books for the Open University. So we have the academic one file. So this is the subscribed e-journal systems of Bicol University. Then we also recommend accessing the National Library e-resources portal. Then of course, the UPOU Commons. Okay, so this is the BOU Learning Management System. Now, this LMS is accessible cross-platform. What are you viewing now? What we are seeing now is its desktop view. I am using right now a desktop workstation with Windows operating system, and similar view will also be available for iOS devices that are utilizing desktop mode or laptop mode views. Now, we can also access this learning management system via mobile devices. So let me try and share it. Okay, so I have here an iPhone device. So for you to access the mobile app of Bicol University Open University Learning Management System, you can access it via Play Store if you are using Android devices, and you can access also similar application with the App Store of iOS devices. So you just need to search BU Open University. So let's try it. I tried it already. So let's try it again. So Bicol University Open University, BU Open University. Then we have the application here. So all you need to do is to click Get, and it will be installed on your devices. Okay, so as you can see, it is being installed right now. Okay. So this is our app view for the BUOU Learning Management System. So we just connect. We log in using our registered usernames. Then we key in our password. Okay, just a moment. I will log in on the BOU app. Okay, so here is the BOU app. Once you are logged in with your username and a user account, you will have the default view with this one. Okay, as you can see, what is provided with the front page or the BOU website is also available with the Learning Management Systems mobile application. So we can also see here the FAQs, the testimonials, then of course the main menu, what we have provided with the desktop view. Now, on your dashboard, you can view the available courses. So in my case, I'll try to access data structures and algorithms. So this is a course that I am handling right now. So on a student's view, it will be like this. I mean, on the faculty view pala, it will be like this. It will be a sort of different with the student's view. So as you can see, all of my resources, all of my materials are provided. My students can access everything and at their own pace. If they wanted to do advanced reading or access advanced activities, they can do so. So I have here my resources. I have my online compiler, portable compilers. Then I do have my references for these lessons. Then of course, we have a course requirements. Yan. In my case, I had it hidden muna. So when time comes, like for example, we do have midterms and finals, dito ko yung lalabas. And my students can easily access that. Okay, so ito yung magiging view ng ating learning management system on a mobile device. Now, going back to what we have right now, or what we have presented right now, we have our online kapihan. Okay, let me go to the desktop view. Nagka-problema yung connection with the mobile device. Okay. So this is our BOU student lunch, which is named Kapihan. So as discussed by Sir JC, its objective is, of course, to be acquainted with pressing and present issues and problems in academic, psychological, spiritual, and finding solutions through guest experts, updated with the current trends. Of course, us, the FICs, the professors providing guidance. Then, of course, to have a common place on which our students can interact virtually. Okay, so we have several rooms available with our Kapihan. We have the Tech Talk. So Tech Talk is about technology and virtual space. So this is also an avenue to coach students who are having hard time navigating the LMS and virtual world of learning. So yours truly will be primarily engaged in this room, and any queries that will be asked by the students will be answered and documented all throughout the forum, and it will be such a big archive that anyone can browse for the previous answers that is provided for each of the questions asked. Now, so heto yung iba natin. So if we want to access that, so andito po yun. So we have the cup of tea, smoothies, FIC date, so the hangout. So these are previously discussed by Sir JC kanina. Then for the desktop view of the courses, so for example, networking. So it will be like this one. Everything is accessible by the student, and yan po. So if you will try to access other courses, you will need to be enrolled first with the learning management system. So unlike Google Classroom, we have to wait for the email address. For example, my email address is rnmontealegre@bicol-u.edu.ph for us to access Google Classroom and other Google applications. Now, with the learning management system of Bicol University Open University, nabawasan natin yung workload ng use of the Bicol University or the bou.edu.ph account, for which immediately after enrollment ng student, if we validated that the student is already registered with the registrar, we can automatically provide him or her his own access with the learning management system. So the learning management system's access would be students will be provided a student number. So the username will be the student number, and the default password is @BOU now 2021. So for the students who are tuning right now, if your connection or your connectivity would allow you to connect with the BOU Learning Management System, I encourage you to try and connect now and engage with the online kapihan of Bicol University Open University. So we are really proud to present this system, and we are really happy on which we are provided an interface that we can fully interact with our students and have our modules and instructions be provided at ease on a single standard platform. So this is our BOU Learning Management System. So hopefully we can see each other. We can see everyone participating with the kapihan online of BOU. And soon it will be rolled out on every program of Bicol University Open University. Of course, with the transitionary period from Google Classroom to this learning management system. So that's all. So see you all with the BOU Learning Management System.
Thank you very much, Sir Rolly. There you have it, friends. I am very excited to be navigating our new learning management system. Of course, there will be an orientation to all the students of BU Open University. And of course, the affiliate faculty members, including the core faculty members, will also be capacitated on how it's going to function and on how it's going to be used by the faculty members, so that there really is efficiency and effectivity on the use of the learning management system. Thank you very much, Professor Montealegre, for sharing with us the features and a glimpse of the BOU learning management system. We would like to acknowledge, of course, our students coming from different programs of BU Open University, recognizing the presence of the students of the of Master of Public Administration, Arts in English Education, students from Master of Arts in Educational Leadership and Management, from Master in Local Government Management, Master of Arts in Social Studies Education, and doctoral offering, Doctor of Education in Educational Leadership and Management. Thank you very much, friends, for attending, for giving us your time, in joining us to launch the Kapihan sa BOU and our learning management system. And now we shall call the academic program coordinator of for the closing remarks.
To Sir President Dr. Noli Mascarenhas, the officials, faculty, and non-teaching personnel of the Bicol University, OSAS Dean Dr. Benji Nebres, BAGS Dean Dr. Herbert Rosana, my colleagues of the BU Open University, headed by our Dean Dr. Ram Lorino, officers of the Student Council and the various programs, the BU-OU students coming from different locations, friends, good afternoon. We have viewed the official launching of the BU-OU online Kapihan and the presentation of its intentions as a support mechanism to address the needs of the graduate students who are enrolled in their respective programs offered via the open distance learning modality. The Kapihan is the BU-OU's initiative to reach out to the students to let them feel that despite the challenge of developing the value to become self and independent learners, they can opt to check the available menu in the Kapihan. Then, virtually, you will experience to be joined by the faculty, officers of program organizations, fellow students, and other guests to have informal or open talks on matters related to current trends in open distance learning, academic concerns, dialogue with the dean, spiritual and psychological aspects, mental health, and topics that everyone can suggest. On behalf of the BU-OU, I would like to congratulate the committee in charge for the successful launching of the online Kapihan. We likewise extend our appreciation to all the attendees, as well as the support extended by the BU administration. Despite the distance that we have from each other due to the pandemic, it is quite possible that learning together can happen even when we are apart. Mga ka-OU, kita-kits tayo sa Kapihan. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am Agonos, for the closing remarks. That ends, friends, our launching of the BOU online Kapihan and learning management system. We shall now have, I believe, our photo opportunity with all the participants. Can I ask Sir Rolly to please do the task to screenshot the attendees for this afternoon?
Okay, just a moment. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3. Another one. 1, 2, 3.
Sir Rolls, can we ask our participants to please turn on the camera?
Okay. So may we request for everyone to please turn on their camera. Okay, so let us proceed with the first shot. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much, everyone. See you all.
Thank you. Thank you, Sir Ollie. Once again, this is Professor Roldan Cabiles, your moderator on the launching of the BUOU Online Kapihan and the Learning Management System. I wish you keep safe and good luck on your endeavors.